live.
Awesome.
All right, so you want to, some of these people probably know what this is because they've probably seen you on our page. They've probably seen Lori do some of it. But y'all, this is Jen from Artistic
Hello.
Painting Studio. And she does a lot of cool stuff with foil. And she's going to show us how we can use the foil with some of our wreath stuff.
Damon gave me an ornament.
Yeah.
Okay, so with something like this, I can start picking all kinds of different foils, okay, and make this more complicated. I can transfer, guys, it's sticky everywhere here. I can catch that line at the top and just transfer the top of it. And now we have that part done. And if I wanted to incorporate a couple of different foils in here, just put some red on here. And again,
So you can match the animal print with the red.
So let's get a stripe going here. So these, I'm using perfect lines here. These were actually cut. We have, I think it's in the paper cutter section where you can roll the foils through and you can cut a nice straight line. So if you are trying to do something like this, don't just use your scissors. Actually, make sure that you've got a nice straight line to work with. And then I'm trying to stay off the glue. Oh, see, the foil transferred really well. It just didn't like that other surface.
Yeah.
We're going to try something quite interesting. Like I said, I'm going to make this super complicated, okay? Because my brain works that way. Everybody always tells me, Jennifer, just keep it simple. And over here, I'm always like, oh no, but we can do this and we can show you how to do that. Okay, this didn't come out perfect because that was where it grabbed off of that styrofoam ball. So I'm making that better, okay. Now to add a whole layer of complication, we can take this stencil down the middle. And it's sticky completely underneath, so the stencil is going to stay in position. And we'll do the leopard over the stencil area. So it's only going to adhere in the openings of the stencil, just like if you were painting it in with paint. You're now just going to stencil in those openings. Damon is over here making a bow already. Okay, when you have a stencil down, your stencil can have a little bit of a raised edge that kind of keeps you away from the full surface. So let's see if this was a... So as I pull this off, like I said, it's going to stay really super sticky. We now have the design. So do you want silver background with that? We still have to fill the rest of it in.
Yeah, I can use silver.
Silver stars, silver flowers, silver glitter. Ooh, blue?
No, silver better. Silver better. Yeah.
Silver glitter.
Glitter's always the answer.
Always the answer. So now the silver is only going to stick wherever the stencil did not. And I don't know if our animal print was the best choice, being multicolored, but
Still looks really cool. Oh, wow. I like it.
that's awesome. So even though I made
Those make everything better.
that those made it.
Will you hold that back?
Yeah. So imagine if it was like an 18-inch ornament, and that's all you did was the foil and a bow on top, and you have a door hanger. Like even like a regular size Christmas tree, I would make fake ornaments like this, and tuck them in.
Oh, awesome.